What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we will be building the Harry Potter Diagon Alley Weasley's Wizard and Wheezes. So, nice little addition to the Diagon Alley set. Hopefully I'll get that at some point. That one's a little expensive, but this is a nice little add-on. I think this one's one of the more memorable places in Diagon Alley, with having the, moving the hat and whatnot. And obviously it's one of the more fun places that are in Diagon Alley, so should be a fun build. So let's go ahead and get it built. here's our finished build for the Weasley's Wizarding Wheezes. There's a separate piece to it. It's a mail room. You can disconnect it, so it's not on all the way. That's why, like you see, I can move it around as well, holding it a little careful. Let me go ahead and get this turned around for you guys. So the back is really cool. That's where all the stuff is going on inside. Probably can't see it in the video, but the little puking candy from the movies is right here. It was displayed for it. We got 8 different minifigs, a bunch of different candies and gags. Also, right here, there's actually they're like sticking shoes that are on the wall. You can put one of the minifigs onto the sticking shoes, and they'll be like hanging off the building sideways. So that's pretty cool. And this is the like post office basically. So it comes with extra letters that you can drop through the chute, and they'll kind of hit the stuff and bounce around to get down to the bottom. Yeah, this person dropping off a piece of mail right now. And then along the front of the building, it says Disastrous Delights, Best in Jesting, Masterpieces of Modern Magic, Weasley's Whiz and Wheezes, Petrifying Products, Shenanigans for All. And then in front of the post office, it's got a little sign. You got Sugar Plum's Magical, what does it say? Mengerie and Madame Malkins. Sorry if I got any of those names wrong for the big Harry Potter fans out there. But this stuff's really cool. Lots of little pieces, lots of stickers. If I'm being honest, I'm not a fan of stickers. I do wish that they would just print on the bricks. Like, I get that would take extra work, but you're raising the price of Legos to, you know, $90 for a set this size. You know, there's other sets out there that also, you know, in the $100 plus range. I think, personally, once your sets get to $100, you should probably just print on the bricks. I know it takes more, but I don't think anyone wants to open up a set and see 27 stickers. I think this one had like 38 stickers because of how many small little candies had a name on them. But overall, still really fun set. I definitely enjoy it. I mean, for its aesthetic value, I think it's worth the $90. But I do wish that they would print on the bricks instead of just have it on stickers. But overall, if you guys enjoyed that video, please make sure you like and subscribe for more content. I post Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, sometimes on the weekend if I'm feeling froggy. I'll see you guys on the next build.